Only available with GenStone. Introducing My Custom Color, a new way for you to personalize your project. Here's how it works. Find your perfect stone color profile on Google Images, Houzz, Pinterest, Instagram, wherever. Send it to us, and we'll match it with our hand-painted products, making your GenStone panels as personal as your color. Plus, you get 5-star rated GenStone, our easy-to-install system, and the best project support around. But before you go off scouring the internet for your color combination, here's the best part. We're selecting one color to become a part of our collection next year. And if we choose yours, your project is free. That's right, free. We'll send you a check for the amount you spent on your GenStone Custom Color, and you'll go down in building materials history. So what are you waiting for? Don't settle for what's available. Get started today and have your custom color ready to install in just a couple of weeks.